Want to add Instagram highlights without everyone seeing your story? Here's how to do it step by step. Method 1. Use Story. Archive. First, open the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon at the top to add a story. Select the photo or video you want to add. Post it to your story. Next, tap More at the bottom, then select Archive. This will remove the story from public view. Go back to your profile. Tap the three-line menu at the top right, then tap Archive. Find your story, open it, and tap the highlight icon. Choose an existing highlight or create a new one. And now, the highlight appears on your profile without showing your story publicly. Method 2. Hide story from people. Go to your profile and tap the three-line menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Story, then choose Hide Story From. Choose the people you want to hide it from and tap Done. Now post your story normally, tap More, then highlight and add it to your highlight. Your highlight will appear on your profile, but your story remains hidden from others. You can combine both methods for extra privacy and control, and that's it. Super quick and easy.